Today we're reading First Little Comics. Which one should we read? Ooh, this one. Magic Fairy. Hi, Magic Fairy. I am sick of being me. Can you turn me into a bunny? Hi, Magic Fairy. I am sick of being a bunny. Can you turn me into a car? Hi, Magic Fairy. I am sick of being a car. Can you turn me into a banana? Hi, Magic Fairy. I am sick of being a banana. Can you turn me into a dragon? Hi, Magic Fairy. I am sick of being a dragon. Can you turn me into a tree? Hi, Magic Fairy. I am sick of being a tree. Can you turn me into me? Thank you.